Brick veneer is a popular cladding choice in construction. It involves applying a single layer of brick to an existing wall. This layer is primarily for aesthetics and does not provide structural support. Brick veneer is different from solid brick construction. Solid brick walls use multiple layers of brick. These layers bear the weight of the structure. Brick veneer offers a classic brick look without the massive structure. It can be applied over various materials. These include wood, concrete, and steel. This versatility makes it suitable for different building designs. Despite its non-structural nature, brick veneer provides several benefits. These include durability, low maintenance, and energy efficiency. Understanding the nature and benefits of brick veneer is crucial for civil engineers. This knowledge aids in making informed decisions during the design and construction phases. Brick veneer offers several advantages over other cladding materials. Cost effectiveness is a significant factor. It is cheaper than solid brick construction. This is due to reduced material and labor costs. The lighter weight also means smaller foundations are needed. Design flexibility is another key advantage. Brick veneer can be used in various architectural styles. It comes in different colors, textures, and sizes. This allows for customized aesthetics to match any design vision. Brick veneer is also energy efficient. The air gap between the veneer and the structural wall provides insulation. This reduces heat transfer, leading to lower energy consumption for heating and cooling. Furthermore, brick veneer requires minimal maintenance. It is resistant to fading, rotting, and insect damage. This ensures long-term durability and reduces the need for frequent repairs. Proper installation is crucial for the longevity and performance of brick veneer. The process begins with preparing the structural wall. This involves ensuring a level and stable surface. A moisture barrier is then installed to prevent water damage. Next, metal ties are attached to the structural wall. These ties will connect the veneer to the wall, providing stability. A gap is maintained between the veneer and the wall for ventilation and drainage. Mortar is then applied to the back of the bricks, and they are carefully placed onto the wall. Weep holes are incorporated at the base of the wall to allow for water drainage. Finally, the joints between the bricks are filled with mortar and the excess is cleaned. Proper flashing is installed around windows and doors to prevent water intrusion. Section 4. Brick veneer vs. solid brick. While both offer a classic brick aesthetic, brick veneer and solid brick differ significantly in their construction and application. Solid brick walls are load-bearing. They use multiple layers of brick to support the weight of the structure. This makes them incredibly strong and durable. However, this strength comes at a cost. Solid brick construction is more expensive and time-consuming. It also requires larger foundations to support the weight. Brick veneer, on the other hand, is non-structural. It relies on the existing wall for support. This makes it a more cost-effective option, especially for buildings that do not require the load-bearing capacity of solid brick. While not as strong as solid brick, brick veneer still offers excellent durability and longevity when properly installed. Section 5. Cost analysis of brick veneer. The cost of brick veneer can vary depending on several factors. The type of brick used is a major factor. Full-size bricks are more expensive than thin bricks. The complexity of the design also affects the cost. Intricate designs require more labor and time. Labor costs vary depending on the location and the experience of the masons. The size of the project also plays a role. Larger projects generally have a lower cost per square foot. Additional costs to consider include the cost of flashing, weep holes, and wall ties. Permits and inspections may also add to the overall expenses. It's crucial to obtain detailed quotes from multiple contractors to get an accurate cost estimate. Section 6. Conclusion. Brick veneer remains a popular choice for architects and civil engineers. Its cost-effectiveness, design flexibility, and durability make it suitable for various projects. From residential homes to commercial buildings, brick veneer offers a timeless aesthetic appeal. Understanding the installation process and the factors influencing its cost is crucial. This knowledge ensures successful implementation and optimal cost management. By carefully considering the advantages and limitations of brick veneer, civil engineers can make informed decisions. These decisions will enhance the aesthetic appeal and structural integrity of their projects.